If your hand starts moving, legs start tapping, and body starts grooving at every music note you hear, then there is probably a dancer in you trying to find a platform to express.
Team Gyrations, the official dance team of KJSCE, provides that platform. Since its formation in 2005, the team, with its remarkable growth, performance, and achievements, has maintained its legacy to emerge as one of the best college dance crews.
The team is known for breaking its own records every year, picking trophies and winning hearts.
In 2016, we won MTV Campus Diaries worth Rs 50,000.
In 2017, we won 4 competitions in a single day,
We surged a win count of 21 out of 24 competitions.
became the college to win the highest number of prizes in 2017,
Conquered VH1 Channel's Verve event worth 75,000 in 2019.
Participating in 20 plus intercollegiate competitions and winning most of them.
After a decade of dominance in Mumbai, it was time for us to realize that we were meant to achieve something bigger. Team Gyrations aimed for nationals, and it makes us proud to say that we were crowned winners of the national level dance competition at BITS Hyderabad for consecutively 2 years. Now, the sky was the only limit.
In 2020, we got selected among the top 7 teams of India and stood as runners-up in the finals of Pravega,
A national level festival held at IISc Bangalore. In the last 5 years, we went to 114 competitions, won 85 prizes, and attended 4 nationals and had a never-ending appreciation.
Difficult climbs lead to beautiful views. Behind all this glory lies a lot of sweat and muscle. Team Gyrations leave no stone unturned when it comes to practice.
Intense practice sessions accompanied by hardcore warm-up exercises, toiling to the last breath, and determination is what it takes to achieve such milestones.
Not only do we learn to dance here, but also grow as a person.
Managing the team, leading it, facing the crowd, killing our stage fears, boosting self-confidence, and more importantly, becoming a team player has taught us unforgettable lessons.
It's not called joy if you can't spread it around. Every year, we have been reaching out to everybody out there by conducting dance workshops throughout the year, sharing our joy and making people groove to our move.
The most beautiful part of the journey are the competitions. Performing in front of hundreds, the goosebumps while the audience cheers, and the joy of leaving a mark of victory on every stage we perform.
Every drop of sweat, every subtle smile, every small giggle, every little cry only brings us closer by the moment. It provides for more love than one could ever ask for. The X factor that Gyrations is highly reputed for is the bonding all the teammates share. The team is known for its immaculate sync and the motivation it provides to reach out to their physical and mental limits and step on the stage with confidence and belief. Performing, practicing, dancing, playing, laughing, crying, all these emotions boil down to this one feeling. It's not just a team, it's a family. This was a very short introduction describing Team Gyrations. To view the whole picture, check out our pages on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Till then, keep dancing.